Mayong udto sa tanan. My dear friends, what is important for our relationship with the Lord is that we continually see and sense Him in all conditions, situations in our life. The moment that we could no longer sense and see God's presence in our in our ways of life, in our experiences in life, that's also the time that we will be drifting away from our relationship with Him. It might be that the start of being cold against God, being indifferent to Him, o baka mao ni sinugdanan nga mangluod ta sa Ginoo. But how can we will always sense and see the presence of God in all events of our life? In today's reading, offered to us contrasting ways of seeing God's presence. In the first reading from the book of Numbers, we're told about the vision of Balaam, where he said that he is the person who sees the Almighty sees in an unveiled way or in an unveiled eyes. He said that he see and yet not now. He is referring to the Messiah, to the promise of the Messiah. And he also said that he behold him and yet not near. Balaam sees Jesus in his faith, not in his naked eyes, but in the eyes of belief, a strong conviction, and a strong relationship with God. However, the contrast happens in the gospel of today from the book of Matthew, where the Jews tested Jesus not for the sake of knowing, not for the sake of advancing their knowledge, but with malice. Ilang gitrap si Kristo kabahin sa otoridad ni sa iyang otoridad o gibawsan sila pangutana ni Kristo bahin sa otoridad ni Juan nga magbubunyag. And here, even though their eyes have seen Jesus, their eyes have witnessed the words and the signs that Jesus performed, the marvelous signs, and yet they were not able to sense God. What is important is not what our naked eyes can see, but what our eyes of faith behold. Kay usahay, uni man gani sa kanunay, our eyes can deceive, no? Muna gani nga kon gabi nya ngit-ngit tan-aw niyo sa tao gwapo o gwapa, balik kag tanaw ikabuntag, di ba? Pagkagabi makaingon mo nga ins bunum, ini kabuntag moingon na mo -10, no? But by the eyes of faith, we will never get wrong if we can sense God in the eyes of our faith, even in moments of difficulties and tribulations. We can all the way sense God in our midst. Mao kini ang ato ang Advent preparation, to see God in the eyes of our faith, to see God in the eyes of our conviction. Nga ang Ginoo bisan o lisod siya sabton apan anaa siya. Bisan o dili sayon tugkaron ang iyang mga buhat apan naa siya'y gibuhat. And this is how Balaam recognizes Jesus, the Messiah that is there and not yet, in contrast to the Jews who sees Jesus and yet they refuse to believe. May our eyes of faith in the season of Advent would become stronger and stronger all the more. Amen.